Hello mga mommies and mga ka-food lovers! Do you need a little treat today? Come with us to the newly opened China-owned store. KKV store has landed in the Philippines and we are here at their 7th branch at Lucky Chinatown Mall. And if you are looking for cute items and looking for perfect gifts, well, KKV store is a must visit. Oh yes, maraming items na pagpipilian sa KKV store. Mga anik-anik ba, mga best? From yummy snacks and refreshing drinks to choose from. Tamang-tama itong store na to para sa mga baon sorya ni Casey. And yes, they have a variety, snacks, and juices to choose from. Starting from 20 pesos and up, talaga namang matutuwa ka sa store na to. Get ready to unleash your inner shopaholic at this ultra-trendy lifestyle store packed with everything you didn't know you needed and more. And yes, this shop got everything to make your shopping experience extra fun and exciting. You just want to explore a store filled with surprises? KKV is the place to be. Pero mas na-enjoy namin ang mga snacks items sa KKV store. And guess what? Happy me dahil nakita ko dito yung gusto kong snacks na natikman ko sa Hong Kong. Eto yun, ang sarap nito, best! Yes, you got to check this store kasi baka dito nyo makita yung mga nagustuhan yung items nung nagto-travel kayo. Over 10,000 snacks, cute items, and trendy items are waiting for you at this new lifestyle shopping destination. And yes, we are here at KKV Store Lucky Chinatown Mall branch. KKV offers a wide variety of products, including baby needs, kitchen needs, home goods, and even accessories. Different cute slippers. At saan ka makakakita ng medyas na for only 69 pesos ay dalawa na? Ay talaga namang maa-amaze ka sa shop na ito. At mapapakanta ka ng add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. These shops also allows customers to express their individuality and explore different lifestyles. From everyday essentials to fun little surprises, KKV shop has everything you need all in one place. Mga best, ang dami ring mga beauty products to choose from. So if you're looking for the perfect gift or a little treat for yourself, head to any KKV shop branches here in the Philippines. And luckily, the Lucky Chinatown Mall branch is just near our place. And so we decided to come and check the cutest stuffs and yummy treats from this KKV branch. And dear, it did not disappoint us. Talaga namang nakaka-enjoy mag-shop sa KKV shop. And if I am not mistaken, KKV has also a branch in Singapore and Malaysia. And before I forget, meron din silang mga items na nabibili sa Donkey Hong Kong. Kaya dito ko talaga nakita yung nagustuhan kong snacks na nabili ko sa Hong Kong. So ano pang hinihintay? Visit any KKV shop in the Philippines and discover 100 lifestyle in one place, from trendy finds to everyday essentials, all designed to spark joy and creativity. Happy and enjoy shopping, everyone!